Hey guys, it's Nate with Evans Family Woodworking. Hey, I just wanted to make a quick video here. Hey, don't be afraid to try something new. There are a ton of things that I don't know how to do, and many of them I have been avoiding like the plague, no pun intended with everything going on. But I have been avoiding building drawers for anything that I've made for a while now, simply because I've never done it before. It's kind of like a table saw. It kind of scared me a little bit at first. But I thought I would give it a try, and you know what? It wasn't that hard. A level, a good screwdriver, wasn't too hard at all. Went to Home Depot and just got the cheapos for the drawer rails. I believe they were about $9 for a set of 20-inch ones, and just put this one together. And I'm missing one for the bottom. I got a little excited and forgot to get two drawer pulls, but I'll get a matching one for it. But guys, it wasn't that hard, and now it's stuck because I put it on a little too soon. But it does work, and it works fine. I just got a little too much stuff on it. Got a little stuck. But hey, I just wanted to reach out to you and just let you know, don't be afraid to try something new. God has put something in your heart, and just go make it, see what you can do, and do the best you can. Hey, if you like this video, click like, subscribe, follow us for more. I just want to reach out to everybody as much as we can and share what God's doing in our lives, and to see if there's anything that we can do for you. Hey, God bless you. Have a great day.